Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab butter sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh crab meat, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 3 cloves of minced garlic, the juice of 1 lemon, and a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley or chives. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth and delicious sauce. A small saucepan and a whisk are also key tools for this simple recipe. Now, let's start with the butter. Place 2 sticks of unsalted butter into your small saucepan over very low heat. We want it to melt slowly, not brown. Once it begins to melt, add your 3 cloves of minced garlic. Let the garlic gently infuse the butter for about 2 minutes, allowing its flavor to develop without burning. This slow infusion is crucial for a rich, aromatic base. Next, it's time to introduce our star ingredient, the crab. Gently fold about 1 pound of your cooked crab meat into the warm, garlic-infused butter. Be careful not to break up the delicate crab too much. Then, squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lemon. This brightens the entire sauce. Finally, stir in a 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped herbs such as parsley or chives for a burst of color and flavor. Your delicious crab butter sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while warm, perhaps drizzled generously over more seafood, pasta, or even steamed vegetables. A little extra sprinkle of fresh herbs as a garnish adds a lovely touch. This rich, flavorful sauce is incredibly versatile and elevates any dish it accompanies. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.